Guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm actually going to be showing you how to make a Flappy Bird like jump. So guys, first what we want to do is create a when green flag clicked. We're going to create gravity variable and we're going to set that variable to 0. Now it'll go 0. And we're actually going to make the player, our cute little bird, go to x200 y0, which basically positions it about right here. Now we're going to do a forever statement, and we're going to change gravity by -1. We're going to change our y value by our gravity. Now we're going to create a new block. Let's name this block jump. Let's drag jump right here. We're going to define our jump. Now what this jump is going to do is we're going to add a forever if statement. We're going to put if key space pressed, then set gravity to 10. Then we're going to go to control. Then we're going to press wait until not key space press. Now if we press the flag, first what we actually want to do is add a when green flag clicked, go to x -200 and a y value of 0. This makes it so that our Flappy Bird will be right here. Now what we're going to do is set a new variable called gravity, and we're going to set gravity to 0. Now what we're going to do is add a forever statement. Forever change our y value by our gravity. Going to change gravity by -1. Great. Now we're going to add another when green flag clicked. We're going to add a forever if statement. Forever if key space is pressed, then change gravity by 1. Then we're going to add a control. Then we're going to add a wait until. Then we're going to add a not key space press. And actually, instead of changing the gravity, we're going to set the gravity to 10 because we're already changing the gravity. So we're going to set our gravity variable to 10. Now there you have it. We have jumping, and it's satisfying. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and bye.